Okay, here's how you can fix the Roblox camera bug. So the first thing that we want to do is actually go to our settings. Here we'll just search for offload apps. I'll show you a few methods and a few things that we can do. So go to offload apps, here find Roblox and just offload the application. Now after we have offloaded it, we will click on reinstall, and this is going to begin, reinstalling Roblox, and I'll show you some settings that we can do from in-game as well. So just give it some time here to actually reinstall, and once it has been reinstalled, we can open it up. So I'm gonna open up the Roblox application. I will play any game here. I'm just do Bed Wars like this. Okay, and once we have the game itself loaded, then once we have the game itself loaded, give it some time here. Okay, joining server. We just want to get access to the settings. Okay, so from the settings here, we're gonna click on the Roblox icon, gonna go into settings, and here what we want to do is we want to change the camera mode to follow. If it's set to classic, we will do it as follow, and we can also change the movement mode to classic thumbstick. So check these options, so follow and classic thumbstick, and see if that fixes the camera issue for you. And I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.